Spectrum Cable Box Error Code 41 indicates a problem with either the signal to your box or its authorization. Let's address this immediately. First, perform a simple power cycle. Unplug your Spectrum cable box from the power outlet for a full 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and allow it to fully reboot. This often resolves temporary glitches. While the box restarts, visually inspect all cable connections to the box and the wall. Ensure they are finger-tight and secure. A loose connection is a common cause. Once rebooted, if the error persists, proceed to the next steps to further diagnose the problem. If the power cycle didn't fix error code 41, we need to dig deeper. Spectrum has integrated troubleshooting tools into their mobile app. Open the Spectrum app on your smartphone or tablet, navigate to the troubleshooting section, and select your cable box. The app can run diagnostics, often identifying signal issues or account problems. Another potential cause is an authorization issue, perhaps related to billing. Use the Spectrum app or website to verify your account status and ensure your bill is up to date. If these steps don't work, it might be time to contact Spectrum support. Their AI-driven chatbots can provide further assistance, or they can schedule a technician visit if needed. Remember, around 70% of error code 41 issues are fixable with simple troubleshooting.